Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Peace be upon you. Before we start, I'm going to introduce myself to you. My name is Alfian and I am from SMPN 2, Bekasi City. Today, I am going to present a short speech on why it's important to protect environment. Do you know about environment? For me, environment is a place that has a lot of living creatures and non-living creatures. And also, environment is a unity of non-living creatures factors that can influence the living creatures' growth and development. So, why should we protect the environment? Because of environments, it underpins our economy, our society, and our very existence. And if we don't take good care of it, it will cause us global warming, shortage, extinction of species, or others. Unfortunately, this environment has come under serious threat, and this threat occurs because of human actions themselves. This action can cause damage to Earth, and it can damage the survival of living creatures. Environmental damage has a lot of factors. One of them is deforestation. Deforestation is large-scale falling of trees or forests that change forest land into non-forest land. Now, I'm going to give you the positive and the negative impacts of deforestation. Positive impacts of deforestation are increased income and conversion of forest land, prevent natural disasters, and to control irregular plant growth. On the other side, we have negative impacts of deforestation. Negative impacts are reducing hazard yields, climate change, and increasing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Protecting the environment should be important as your protection of your own life. Why? When we care about the environment, it's not a mere act of benevolence toward nature, but a conscious act of self-preservation. Everyone, our planet has been losing the battle for clean water and air. However, there are many ways to save our environment. Recycling and reusing all items are some of the best ways to start saving our environment and keeping out more materials out of landfills. Plastic bag. We can stop using plastic bags as these bags often end up in landfills. Waste management is a powerful way to save our environment. There must be a proper disposal of wastes. The benefits of saving environment is the health of people would improve. Due to pollution and deforestation, the health of many people is poor. Conserving the environment would certainly improve the health of people. Saving environment would reduce many diseases. Ladies and gentlemen, our environment is a precious gift on this planet. So we must take care of it seriously. That we all can feel healthy, safe, comfortable again. And that's all for me. Thank you.